Bode George don't come tell us how Tinubu they carry billions of naira from Lagos, they squander am anyhow. In fact, this man don't come open our eyes again. Many things una no be in dream say una go hear am for this life. This man don't bring am come our table. And for now, we no know who be Bode George. Him be one of the politicians that year for Nigeria, and him come become military governor for Ondo State, and later him come still become chairman of the Nigerian Port Authority. Oh my people, different things just dey happen. Una remember before say na governor of Benue State come tell us say Buhari is not doing well. In fact, many people now things just dey open. You understand? So please, I want make una listen to the man by himself with himself. So join me, make we watch the video.
Look at the former governor of Lagos State. He has 3 executive jets, private jets. One, the other one with 900X, can fly from Lagos to New York. Where is his business? What business does he do? Look at the amount of money they pay each governor at the end of every year as pension. Pension for what? I served in the military. You know how much my pension is? You know how much I take home after 25 years of military service? 400,000 naira a month. If you go to Abuja 2 or 3 times, that's the end of it. I retired also as a general. But why are you paying them that humongous amount of money? These are the leakages in the system.
He's saying the truth, oh. I know so many of una now una don shock. Some of una mouth sef no fit close. Na truth, this man just can't talk. See, una go tell me now say he is one of them. He are all the same. I beg my people for 1 minute. Focus on the message, not the messenger. All of them are the same, but leave person where they talk. Just carry the words. Hi! Now like this, so one by one, all of them go they come out. They expose all their atrocities one by one. They come they expose each other like that. It go they happen. We go sit down. No be this year. Make una relax. We just dey February. Year never even enter half. 2 people don't come outside can't talk. Then imagine by the time we reach June, hey, fire yansh go open. This thing they sweet me. I just dey wish say all of them go start to come out. See, remove all those dirty from everybody's eye. Because many people now they hide inside dirty. They don't even some of them don't even know where their conscience where they don't throw it out. When I don't hear them, no be me talk am. Na in come outside na come talk am. One big head. Now only one big head sit down on top nation money. There is no money. There is no money. Yes, we can see there is no money. How will there be money? How money go there when one person don't sit down? They cause poverty for everywhere. How Nigeria go move forward? How nothing say we go grow like this? And the thing they funny me because now Lagosians themselves can't allow Tinubu to come destroy Lagos. Lagosians, but see we no be even Lagosian. Tinubu no be Lagosian. Now from Osun State, una allow foreigner, stranger, enter Lagos. Even, see, this man not just destroy Lagos. He over PC Sam. Now, as it don't late, una eye now, it don't open small. Yoruba people, if una like, vote for him again. Because matter even reach me say this Tinubu man, he don't dey plan now. See 2023, he won't stay there on that seat. Make una, no, vote again, no. Vote because when they don't throw away 100,000 for air like this, now start they pick and they rush and for una mind. This man a good man. Person don't come open eye for us. He that has ears, let him what? Hear. So me, I don't bring this matter because it is very, very important. And now they should say many of us, because me too, before many of these politicians, we they see them say them good. Now until matter happen, now there we go. No, imagine. Tinubu is good. He's a good man. He's stealing your money and he's dashing you that money that he stole from you again. You don't know. Lele. See as soon as sit down there. Yoruba people sabi sit down on top one thing. As they don't talk say na Tinubu, no, you no go change their mind. Make una change this mindset, oh. If not, now so see as we dey suffer now. Everybody dey complain. 2023 now, so the same thing go still happen again. I dey very sure, in fact, I dey beat my chest. Nigeria get money to clear all the debts wey they get. I dey, in fact, oversure dey worry me. Because listen to the figures wey this man dey talk. One person pocket, and una dey tell me say Nigeria is in debt. Nigeria is in which debt? One person pocket. We fit clear all the debts, whether na China, America, name it, all the countries wey Nigeria dey owe, we fit clear am. E dey very simple. But these people, greed no go allow them. Just reduce, cut your salary. Imagine one person get 3 private jets. 3 private jets. No, which business this man dey do? Which business you dey do? No, show me your shop. They no even get one shop where they go say, okay, I dey run this thing, I dey run. Corruption don't chop people conscience finish. 3 private jets. And go see where some people they sleep on that bridge. Some people no even get one room. Some people say even manage to build parko, no light. But una they come outside with big agbada, una they shine. God go soon catch all of you now, one by one. God go soon catch all of you now. Not even say if you die, you they carry all this wealth, they travel with. That other side of the world, you no go with anything. Nothing. Even clothes where you go wear where they bury you, you go end up for underground. So why una just decide to be deliberately wicked? Why? My people, is left for una. You understand? Una don't ready to die for APC. Una don't ready to die. See, I know they support. As soon as they see me like this, see this my face. And you know, get one party where they support. I just they live by God's grace. Because if you depend on these people, Oyo be your case. So drop your comments for that comment section. Anything where you think concerning this matter, drop them there. Subscribe and share this video so that everybody will know wetin dey happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next stories. After how many months of Lekki Tollgate wahala, my people, I believe say many of una sef una don't forget say that thing exists since October. E no relax, so many of una go even think say the matter don't die. E never die. My people, all this why, you know, say they tell us say they investigate how many people die, who they bury, who body they go pick. In fact, many wahala. Finally, my people, the Lagos judicial panel don't bring us conclusion for meeting where they get. And that meeting, some human rights activists been there, lawyers been there, the youth representatives for Lagos, they also there. My people, no be small matter. Last, they come, they talk, arguments. And I know how all this meeting they go. Now, they don't conclude, say, hey, they go reopen Lekki Tollgate. It be like so, I know you hear me very well. Lekki Tollgate, the place where they kiki people, where they even video and they talk say all those videos now, Photoshop, montage, all those plenty things. They say they reopen and now without final investigation. Hey, my people, this matter now it dey very serious. But no be even that one even bust my head now. The one wey shock me now, my people, Shegun. I dey sure say many of una know this guy now, human rights activist. His name na Shegun Awosonya. The way this guy won't kill himself that year for people. Hey, if they tell me say this guy go do this thing now, wallahi, I go keep person. The guy now, matter don't reach me say now he himself even vote may they open Lekki Tollgate. I be wetin dey happen to people for this Nigeria. What be say nowadays the people wey before they fight for us now. In fact, I don't even know whether they give them money. Because their mind just they change. Without any reason. You go just here say this one before they support this one. Now you don't turn back. My people, many wahala now. And this thing are going to cause confusion. Because everybody don't they fight. I beg. As soon as they see me like this. In fact, my no na capital letter. I know they see. Wait be the reason for opening Lekki Tollgate again. So, after people die, una don't leave investigation for who? Nobody won't ask again. Say, okay, what happened to those people who die? They no go even give justice. Nothing. Just like that. So now, may they go open. Hi! Lagos State Governor. Lagos, see, you don't fail Lagos youths. Baje. You fail them. Big time. Seriously, because I don't even expect this thing from this man. You they in charge of Lagos. When are you supposed at least raise hand? Una wicked. Seriously. Sometimes I wonder if these people get hurt. Or whether na just plastic they for this side. Waiting. Ha! Hey, Chineke. Shegun. See, it no go better for you. If you like say I dey swear for you, it no go better for you for this thing wey they do. Some of una I don't know. Una think say for this life nothing bad will ever happen to you. For the first say it never happen, no me say it no fit happen. So now what always they tell una, put yourself in people's shoes. It dey very important. Tomorrow fit be your turn. And person like this now you don't go vote now, may they open Lekki Tollgate. Tomorrow, if something happen to you or any of your family member, you go come online now, come they disturb us. They disturb our peace. So some of una just they behave like saying una be devil assistant. Just like that. Chineke. See, we know they open anything, no. We are not opening anything. In fact, if una like, go look. See, this time around, the protest wey we do before, na bread and beans. This one where they come, na stone. Una no even feature am. We know they open anything until they do justice for everybody wey die, for their family members. We know they open anything. And if you know say you dey in support of me, as I dey talk like this, join me for this protest, because this second one, it go be fire. Nigeria government, una think say una mad. We dey come show una say we are mad. In fact, this one, look me very well. Make una look this face. This fine face when I dey see like this. I go dey forefront of this protest. I go dey front. I dey very serious, because this one, I don't tire. Everybody just they think of their selfish reasons. Everybody, not only their pockets. No, give me one reason why these people they open this thing. If not be saying for their pockets, give me one reason. Because they won't start to they collect money. No be waiting they happen before. The only thing we Nigerian youths ask una justice. Waiting they get in return bullets. Una start they shoot. Una start they beat people. The ones we injure, the one we go hospital, we not even survive. All in the name of justice. Now just justice they ask una for. And some of una go they go church, una go they pray, una go they ask God. No wonder our life just be like this. And now the reason why me I even like God, you know why? If God want do you something, He go touch you where He pain you pass. Now why all of una children go start they misbehave? Now why they go start they misbehave? Now we open Tollgate. Una never investigate matter. Una think say una smart. Una think say una smart. Una don't see mugus. All of us now don't turn us to mugus. Because before they tell us, we're on the matter, we're investigating this one. For how many months, my people? So now be their plan be this. They wait, may everybody calm down. You understand? Because as I talked before, many people don't even forget about this thing unless you bring them up before they go remember, say, oh, okay, this thing be happened before. Many people don't forget them. Now they wait for as the thing don't calm down. Now they bring this thing and say they go open matter. See, we know they open anything. And my people, for now, we don't know. 13th of February, this month, this matter, we dey carry and go down Lekki Tollgate. 13th of February, so make una no miss am. If you know say you no get moral, you no get liver, you no get courage, no follow us, we dey go there because we dey go block that place. So, if this time around, may they bring helicopters, we go they shoot from air. Now their business. We are ready for them this time around. Innocent people will die. Where is the justice? If they put una in front of camera now, television where everybody they watch, una go they talk good things, nice things, so that people wey dey outside go they talk say, these people they sabi do. See, we know they agree. Hey, I know they joke. As soon as they see me like this time around, now fire for fire, tooth for tooth. Abi, if you know say you they support, get ready. Because many people family they involved. My people, una know how many people die for this thing. We no feel living like that. We no feel living like that. If these people open this Tollgate, una know what it mean. Last, this matter we go forget them. Because after this thing open, nobody go even concern again. Say okay, wetin happen here, and all the evidence where we feel even talk say okay, make we go check again. They go disappear. These people they be mafias. Nothing. You they play with Nigeria government. They be mafias in 2 seconds. The way they go clear everything, you go they wonder whether something happen for here. So now why I come now? You understand? Say no to Lekki reopening. We are not opening anything. We are not interested. Now don't broke. Why don't just kukuma tell us say, oh, we don't broke, we need another means of, you understand? We go understand you now. Not gonna bring matter say you now they open up for waiting. No, because una family members not they involved. Now like this you always happen. If una get people who die for that place, una no go even, especially you Shegun. No, but this guy matter shock me, sha. If you not see where this guy they fight for us, I bet make una don't trust. See, stop the trust all these human rights activists. Stop the trust them. Una feel listen to them when they make sense, but no trust them. No rely on their words because they go fail us. They go fail us. See this one. The only one now where I don't go even this shock again because I don't already shock finish. Now Aisha. If Aisha come out now, can't change mouth. I don't go this surprise. Because all of them, be like said they give them some amount of money. Now God go just protect us, my people. Now only God go protect us. Now why I bring this matter? You understand? So make una get ready. Get ready. Because this time around, nobody they sit down for house. All of us they go. If they won't kill everybody, make them kill. Make them kill. But one thing when me I know be say, you understand, God know they sleep. As they don't, the wicked people they go. Their time go soon reach, my people. Their cup go soon full. Now we still there here. So I want to wait till you think. If you not there in support of this protest where we they plan now, I bet signify. If you know say you go, we don't need coward people. People where you understand. If you know say they in support or you know they in support, still drop out for the comment section. I want to know how far we go with this matter because we need people. And then if you never share this video, as they watch me like this, you they hear me. Wait till they wait for share because we need more people who go support us for this case. You understand? And government, especially governor of Lagos State, he need hear me. You understand? Because the only thing where we need to reopen now their senses. We go reopen that their senses, not be Lekki Tollgate. Yes, my people, now the matter with this and now for one-on-one TV, we they give you the hotages. Now why if you never subscribe, you go they miss everything where we they drop. Make sure say you subscribe. It is very, very important. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.